Modular cleanrooms offer the lowest cost, fastest time to build, and are easy to scale, expand, reconfigure, or relocate as needed. Terra sells over 250 modular cleanrooms per year and provides nationwide installation service. Prefabricated in a factory, these systems install in a fraction of the time compared to traditional construction. They're ideal for fast ramp-ups or short production cycles, where speed and flexibility matter most. Terra offers modular cleanrooms in many configurations for every application. Hardwall designs are widely used in pharmaceutical, semiconductor, and aerospace applications, with options for positive pressure, negative pressure, and recirculating airflow. Terra offers modular cleanrooms that are pre-packaged and mass-produced for the lowest possible price. Standard configurations are ready to ship and install. No lengthy lead times or complex prep. Built with welded steel frames and interlocking components, Terra's cleanrooms are freestanding, highly rigid, and seismically safe. Cleanrooms are available in standard 8-foot heights, with extended height models offering ceiling clearances up to 30 feet to accommodate tall equipment and assemblies. Choose from a range of panel materials, including cost-effective plastics and specialty options like amber acrylic for light-sensitive applications. With over 2,000 cleanrooms installed since 2017, Terra makes it easy to get started. Browse Terra's full selection of prefabricated and custom-built cleanroom designs. Not sure what you need? Contact Terra via phone, web chat, or email to find the right configuration for your application.